Hello, friends. We are happy to connect to you all and to present glimpses of the live recording of Elan's virtual overseas education loan fair organized in June 2021. We are sure that this live version will help you to get a clear picture of our virtual platform and support you for a seamless navigation in Elan's forthcoming Overseas Education Loan Fair scheduled on Saturday, 21st August 2021. But before we start, we would like to let you know that if you plan to attend this virtual fair, it would be advisable to log in with a laptop or a desktop for better user experience. In case you are using Google Chrome browser on mobile or a tablet, please enable the checkbox Desktop Site in the setting of Google Chrome browser. This will enable you to zoom in or zoom out on the screen for a clearer view. So, let's watch the glimpses of Elan's virtual overseas education loan fair June 21. Student entered their name, registered email ID, and clicked the Join Event button to gain access to the platform. If anyone needed help, they could enter the help desk by clicking on the booth, chat with the team member, or do a video meeting by clicking on Join Meeting and Request to Join button. When they finished the talk, they had to click the Close Meeting tab and then go back tab to get back to the lobby. In a similar way, they could connect to any expert on Elan booth 1 or 2 by clicking on the booth and connecting to the team member there.
But I would advise State Bank and Bank of Baroda because they are more beneficial when it comes to program.
Once they finished the talk with the Elan expert, they could go back to the participating banks from the exhibitors list or by going to Lobby View 2 and clicking on the booths of the banks or NBFCs. Let's see the list of participants at the ICICI booth and listen to a little interaction of the bank representative with an attendee.
Default or unable to repay the loan capacity, repay our loan. Okay. It's just the security. If in future someone fails to, we can recover through that. So there is slightly difference. Of course, secured loans are having a lower rate of interest as compared to the unsecured one.
Okay, so I guess we'll have to go one-on-one and share all. I have to share all my admin notes, and then you will be able to give me the exact figure.
Yes. I hope you have dropped your mail in the chat box. I'll drop your mail regarding the list of documents, application form, and how we can go ahead with your application process.
In a similar way, attendees visited the last booth on Lobby View 2, which was of Avance. Students followed the same process for Lobby View 3, where they could connect to Empower Financing, and Casey's country experts for US, Canada, and UK.
So you can always reach out to the Elan team and they'll be happy to help you out with the application process. And it's a free of cost application, so you can apply for as many universities as you want.
Are you only looking out for universities which are not demanding for a GRE criteria?
Ma'am, you can send the both list
Both
actually.
documents, right?
Yes.
And that has to be for spring, that is January 2022, and the next year that will be like August, which is fall 2022, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And there are certain weight criteria also. So better you take some professional services because visa fees is 35,000. And if you take a professional services of our agents, they will not charge anything to you and provide you free services.
Once the students visited all the booths and got their queries resolved, they clicked the download button to download the brochures, leaflets, or loan requirement sheets. So these were a few glimpses of Elan's virtual overseas education loan fair conducted in June 21. You will have a similar or much better experience if you wish to attend Elan's forthcoming virtual overseas education loan fair scheduled on Saturday 21st August 2021. So if you haven't attended Elan's June 21 event, you can register right away for the August 21 event by using the given link. Just follow the 3 simple step process to join the event. So do not miss this chance of connecting to India's best overseas education loan experts and their banking partners through this free virtual event. Our team would be glad to assist you with your study abroad loan processing, and the best part is that the event registration and the counseling services are free.